Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Follow Mentor. And what I really want to talk about today is about really having a trading plan. But it's even more than having a trading plan. The majority of the people that I talk to, first of all, they don't have a trading plan. They don't really know what to buy. They don't know exactly how much to buy, if they do know, or even when to get out with a profit or loss. And it's like almost crazy to me. It's like, how can people even start putting their hard-earned money out there without really having everything thought out? It's like trying to start a business and then playing it by ear, doing this, doing that. The trading plan is one of the most important issues of successful trading. If you don't have a trading plan, you shouldn't even start trading. That's the first issue I want to talk about, and really internalize that, because it's the basis of everything. The next step, the next level, which is, you forget about even if you want to trade yourself. Let's say you want to invest with a money manager, or even if you do a mutual fund, which I really not that crazy about. The fact is, what you need to know in order to succeed long term, and really when I say long term, behind me I have a chart. This keeps me focused. I'm always thinking of my goal. My goal is to compound money over long periods of time. And the point is, if I don't have a trading plan, obviously I don't even know where I'm going. That's first. Let's say I don't have a trading plan. I have it. I know what I'm buying, I know what I'm selling, or I'm investing with a certain money manager. That's fine too. But the fact is, you need to know, what is your compounded annual rate of return over the last X period of time, however long you've been trading. Is it 5 years? Is it 10 years? Is it 1 year? You need to know how much you've been making on average. The reason being, the power of compounding is what will create you extreme wealth. If you don't know what your compounded annual rate of return is, then there's no way, again, to compound money over long periods of time. And as much as I'll say there is no holy grail, because the people I'm speaking to people from all over the world. It's, it's like they want the secret sauce. They want the magic indicator. They want the magic system. They want the robot. And I'll tell you something. It's the only way to lose money. If you really want to be successful investing, you have two choices. One is have a robust methodology with risk management, strong risk management. Follow this methodology with discipline, patience, and focus. Or you can invest with a money manager that understands the risks, that prepares for the risks, that you have reasonable expectations for that money manager. Don't think that every year he's going to make you money. It's a fallacy. And that you stick with them for long periods of time and compound money. But you need to know, what is your compounded annual rate of return on average. I gave a talk a couple of videos ago about a commodity trading advisor named Tinkoff, that his compounded annual rate of return was about 16%. There were years that he really didn't do so well, and then there were some years that he did extremely well, like last year, or this year, excuse me, he's up 69%. But that's not the point. The point is, on average, how did he do over the last 10 years? This number is paramount for you in order to compound money. I mean, there is a holy grail. It's not chasing after these magic systems or magic indicators, and definitely not a trading robot. It's the easiest way to lose money. The fact is like this. Have a plan. Trade it yourself if you have the fortitude, if you have the time, if you have the mental discipline. But understand what the compounding rate of return is and follow your trading plan. Take every trade. Don't be afraid. There is no fear. Have everything thought out, every consequence already thought out, and everything planned for. So there's no surprises. Because when you don't have surprises, there's no fear. You're just doing the same thing over and over and over again. And as George Soros said, it was a great article I read, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. It's like, successful trading is boring. If you're looking for action and have all these screens bouncing around and all that stuff, good luck. I've been doing this for 18 years. The guys that have made money for me, that I've invested with, and even my own success, you know what? I do my trading once a day. It takes me a whole whopping between 30 minutes and an hour maximum. I'm done. I don't really look at the screen all day and worry that it's going up or going down, because it doesn't mean anything. Any one trade means nothing. Any 1 month doesn't mean anything. And that's the other thing, is people come up to me, like I'm at a conference, I'm speaking at a conference, and say, well, how'd you do last month? Or how'd you do last year? It has no bearing. Because to me, trend following is a lifetime strategy that I'm going to be doing till I'm hopefully 90 years old. I'll give you a point in reference. How'd you do? 2011 wasn't good. I didn't make money. I lost money. 2010, I made 34%. So all of a sudden I'm a genius in 2010 and I'm dumb in 2011, or I'm not a good trader. It has no bearing. It's whatever the market gives us. You make yourself available for any trade. You take every trade. This is what good trading is. You trade with a plan. You know exactly what you should be doing at every minute of the trading time. You know what to buy. You know what to sell. You want to buy the strongest, you want to sell the weakest. If you can put on a low risk bet, which is, to me, I'm not risking more than 1% of my account size in any one trade. A lot of trades cannot work, and they won't work. Many, many trades will not work. But I survive. This is, you tread water until some trades that you kind of fall into really do work. Then I know where to get out with a profit. I know where to get out with a loss. And I take the loss. I have no problem taking the loss. Because what I know is if I don't take the loss can get a lot worse and be detrimental to my financial security. So there's nothing to think about. And I know that it's a series of trades over long periods of time and being consistent. Quick review. You must have a trading plan. I can help you develop your trading plan if you want. I do one-on-one mentoring until you get it. We do webinars one-on-one, just me and you. I also have a home study course. You can learn on your own. But the other fact is, besides having your actual trading plan, you need to know what is your compounded annual rate of return. If you've been trading for X period of years, I mean, it's not something that you just start and say, well, okay, my trading is going to be blah, blah, blah. I mean, I've been doing this 18 years. I can tell you what my compounded annual rate of return is, because then I can guesstimate where I should be at in the next 10 years or 5 years. And my whole goal is to compound money. If I can compound money, I can create wealth for my family. I've been teaching my children since they've been 13 years old. The idea being, let's say they live another 60, 70 years, and they can compound at anywhere between 10 to 15%, which is a realistic number. It's not hitting the ball out of the park. It creates extreme wealth for them and independence for them. This is the issue. Trading is not easy. You have to realize that it's probably the hardest, easiest thing you can ever do. That's why I decided to become a mentor. Help people. I was helped. I can help you. I want to add before we go that I have an upcoming book coming with Wiley Books called The Bible of Trend Following. It's coming out in December of this year, 2012. How professional traders manage the risk and compound money. I invite you to pre-order it on Amazon, as well as I'm here to help you. If you want my help, I can help you. It's up to you, though, really, to succeed. It's not easy. No one can guarantee you success. I can give you the tools, and you have to implement them. But if you want my help, I'm here to help you. Thank you very much. This is Andrew from TrendFollowingMentor.com.